Hey everyone, get ready with your own supplies. Today you will be painting a beautiful cat on roof painting using a simple 5-step with me. Now let's get started. Let's have a look on the art materials we need for this painting. Now we are ready to paint the beautiful night sky. So here we have the colors cerulean, white, and let's mix some yellow to have a very warm and light shade of blue. And I'm going to apply this blue in the center of the canvas, and later we are going to paint the beautiful moon in this place. So we are going to paint the beautiful glow around the moon first. Around this color we are going to add more blue and we are going to make it a little darker. Now let's apply the color cerulean blue mixed with the white, and we are going to apply this light color around this warm shade of blue. Here I am using my flat brush to blend the colors, but you can use your full bed brush for better blending. Now let's mix the color deep cyan with the cerulean to get this medium shade of blue, and we are applying this color around this light shade of blue, and you can easily blend the colors when the colors are still wet. Now let's apply the color deep cyan on the entire canvas. Color is still wet, so I am going to mix the color deep cyan with the black, and I am applying this dark color only in the edges of the top. Now we are in the step 2 and we are ready to paint the beautiful moon. So first I am going to draw a circle, and I am going to fill the circle with the white color, and you can see the background is really dark. So if you are applying the color yellow directly on this dark layer, so the color will not be very vibrant. That's why I am applying this white as a base color. So first I am going to just apply the white and let it dry. So once the color is completely dry, now let's mix the color yellow with white and we will get a very light shade of yellow. And now we can apply this light shade of yellow evenly on the surface like this. Before the layer gets dry, now let's mix the color yellow, orange and white to get a very light and warm shade of yellow, and we can apply this color for the texture on the moon. So here I am just using my round brush. I am going to just tap the color here and there to create the texture of the moon. While painting the texture on the moon, we don't need to add the entire color on the surface to create the texture. We just need to apply the color here and there. Now let's mix the color white and yellow, and we are going to add some texture only in the edges like this. To make the night sky even more beautiful, I decided to add some stars here. So now let's take some white on your small round brush and just put some dots here and there. And then we can use our normal old toothbrush. So here I have one. I just add some water and paint. I'm going to just splash the color gently on the surface. Now we have beautiful night sky with stars. Also we can use some light shade of blue to paint some small stars here and there in this painting. Now it's time to paint the clouds in the sky. So here we have the color deep cyan mixed with the white, so we will get a light shade of blue, and we are using this color to paint the clouds in the sky. So here I am using my round brush. I am just going to rotate my brush in the circular motion to get a very soft and fluffy texture of the clouds. Since it's a night sky painting, we don't need to add more details on the clouds. Once we finish painting the beautiful clouds, let's add some highlights. So here I added extra white with this mixture and I'm painting some small details here. In step 3 we are going to paint the house. So here we have the color deep cyan mixed with the black. So first we are going to paint the wall. So first just draw some rectangle like this and we are going to fill the color here. To paint the roof of the house, here we have the color cerulean mixed with the deep cyan. So here we have the very medium shade of blue and we are using this color to paint the roof. To paint the wall, we can use the dark shade of deep cyan. Now let's add some shadows, details and windows. So here I am using the color black. Later we can add more details. Here we need to paint the shadow. So here we have the color black mixed with the deep cyan. So we are adding this dark shade of color to paint the shadow part in this building. To add some details here, I am using the color which we have used for the roof. I have this crazy obsession with the blue shades, so I always like to paint night sky, also night scenery. So if you are someone who is really interested in painting night sky, then you can check this painting. In this painting you can see a beautiful night sky with some green and blue shades. So you can see the step-by-step guidance to paint the water and the reflection of the moon and the glow around the moon in this painting. So if you are really interested in painting night sky, then don't miss this painting. Now load your brush with orange color and we are adding the light that's from the window. In the fourth step we are painting the roof. So here we have the color cerulean. Now let's add some black and white to get this light shade of cerulean and we are using this color for the roof. So in this roof painting we are going to add more and more details later. Right now we are just adding the color for the base, and here for the rack we are using the color deep cyan mixed with the black. Now let's apply some dark shade of blue for the wall. So here we have the color deep cyan mixed with the black and we are adding the color evenly. I decided to add some wood texture in this wall. So we have to take our dry flat brush. Now let's mix the color cerulean and white. While doing this, your hands will become really messy like this. But you don't need to worry about it because you will enjoy it. And now just split the edges like this and we are going to drag some lines to get a texture here. And you can use the tip of your bristles to have a very long and sweeping line. This will give a beautiful texture effect in your painting. Now we are going to add most interesting task of this painting. We are going to add some bold strokes to paint the roof texture and details. So here I have the color orange and we need to apply some bold strokes. So here I am using my flat brush and this is a very small size flat brush. Now let's take some yellow and we are going to do the same thing again, and we are going to add some red and blue shades. So right now it doesn't look very good, but in the end you will be really surprised to see the result. While doing this, I was so confused about the final result, but I knew I had to trust myself and enjoy the process. So sometimes in painting or in life, we feel like things doesn't make any sense to us right now, but we have to enjoy the process and trust the process to enjoy and see the final result. So I just believed in myself and did all the things I should do. Now load your round brush with the black color and we are adding some borders for the roof, and you can see I'm just blocking the area first, then we can add some texture later. So first we need to draw some line like this, so you can use a very fine detailed round brush or a detailed brush to add some small strokes here. Here the moonlight beautifully falls on the surface of the rooftop, and you can see the colors from the reflection of the light such as orange, yellow and red. And we are not going to just add the colors, we are adding texture also. Now let's take some cerulean blue and apply this color here and there. To add some texture, we need to apply the color black here and there, so you can add some random small stroke. If you are someone who is obsessed with painting night sky, then you can explore the magic of night sky painting with this playlist. You will find a variety of tutorials and each with easy to follow up step-by-step instruction. So don't miss this playlist if you are really interested in painting night sky. Now let's add more details in the rag using the color cerulean blue mixed with white. Using the same cerulean, I am going to paint the window here. So first we need to draw some rectangle like this, and then we have to let it dry. To paint the frame, we have the color black. Take some grey and add some long strokes like this to add the texture on the window frame. In the final step, let's paint the cat. So here we have the color deep cyan mixed with the black, and we are using this dark shade of blue to paint the cat. First we are going to draw the outline and fill the color dark blue on this surface. If you are new here, consider this your official welcome. I am Rexana, an acrylic painting artist. I am passionate about sharing my skill with beginner artists. If you are interested in my painting and tutorial, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my other social media platform to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Now let's add some deep cyan here to add the light effect on the cat. Now let's mix the color yellow and white to add the light effect on the cat. Since we have a golden moon, we are adding this yellow shade. So here I am using my number 0 round brush, and I am using the tip of my round brush to add the minute details. Let's add some soft and feathery lines in the edges So here I'm using the same light shade of yellow. And this side we have the shadow, so we can use the color black or dark shade of deep cyan. Now let's see the complete look of this painting. I really like this painting, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And also thank you so much for painting with me. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting in my next video with a step-by-step guidance. Until then, have fun with colors.